Hello, everybody. This is Brian Terry from the Conservative Covered Calls Group. Today, I wanted to show a trade that I did just recently in Deere, capital D or ticker DE. It's a put spread. And here's the kind of summary. On 4/27, I sold the 372.50, 352.50 put spread, 20-point wide, and received 91 cents. So the risk on that trade was 1909. So what happened is after the trade got put on, the stock pulled back and actually went below our strike. So we were in the money on our 372.50 put. So on 4/30, I rolled our trade out. That was actually the expiration date as well. So we rolled it out for 1 week for an additional $2.45 credit. So in that case, we had actually received a total of $3.36 or $336 per contract. On the following week, the stock rallied up, and on May 5th, I actually closed the trade for $1. So we made a net profit of $236 per contract, which was a 14.1% return on risk in 8 days. And what's interesting is when we sold that put spread, we actually reduced the risk down to 1664. Here's a quick look at the chart. You can see here's about where we put the trade on, and then it pulled back, and this line here is our in the money strike. So you can see that on Friday, it was actually in the money. So we rolled it out. The next 2 days, it rallied up, which enabled us to close out the trade for a nice quick profit in 8 days. So in terms of takeaways, when we did roll out the trade, the trade really gave us three things. One, it gave us additional time in the trade, which gave us time to see the stock rally and get above our short put. It also gave us additional credit. We received $245 for an additional week of time. And it also, probably even more important, it lowered our risk from 1909 down to 1664. Now, we could have taken the shares that week at 372.50 per share, and we would have probably ended up with the same kind of net return. However, our risk would have been much higher. And in this particular case, the earnings weren't until 5/21, so we had time to kind of roll it out and give it a little bit more time for the trade to work out. So I hope this has been helpful. If you guys have any questions or feedback, please reach out to me, or you can put your comments on the Facebook, either on Facebook or on the YouTube page. Thank you very much. And I will see you guys in the chat room, on YouTube or in the Facebook group. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.